Okay, I picked this kit up at my favorite store, Harbor Freight. Oh, good Lord. Probably 2, 3 months ago, it was on sale. I think I gave like 20 bucks for the kit. Uh, uh, Full disclaimer, I'm not a body man. I'm a rat rod builder. But there's times when these actually are very handy to have in mechanic work and fabrication and stuff like that. Take, for instance, these valve covers. I already got this one. This one was, I don't know if you could see it in the other video, but it was bent almost in half right there. I got that worked right back in. Now this one, you can see that pretty good sized dent right there. I'll get that out now. I'll kind of show you here how I go about doing that. Let's see. See if I can get a good camera angle here. Let's try this. All you need is a concrete floor. There. Okay, first thing you gotta do is sweep the floor. That's my dolly. Okay. It's still in frame there. Let me check. Okay, yep. Okay, see right here? That's where I need it. Oh, it's got some ugly bugger right there too. I'll take that out. I'm going to use this side. Again, this is my dolly. And I'll roll it up like so. I'm kind of pulling down as I hit it. Using the concrete as my backer, my dolly. Now that one. A little bit more right there. Let's go right like that. Try not to hit it if the tin isn't touching the concrete. Try not to hit it there because you'll ping it. But everywhere that's against the concrete, and I'm doing that, it'll lay it all out flat, just like using one of the dollies that it comes with. But this is just kind of a crude, redneck, easy way to do it. Anybody can do it on their garage floor or whatever. If I really want to get in there, I can ping it with this one. What this is called is double hammer. And that's what I'm doing, is I'm double hammering. I'm tapping it like that because it's more of a, I shouldn't be dry firing them like that. They should be against something. That's how you break them, is doing that. So don't do what I just did. And you break them anyway. This is hard on hammers. That's why I'm using Harbor Freight. You know, it's, if I break them, I break them. I don't recommend doing this with your expensive ones. Anyway, you can get it right in there. Doing quick little taps like that is kind of like a plenishing hammer. A very, very slow one, but and I keep changing my grips. I pull it clear out here for more power, and then I'll choke up on it. But always try to, when you're using these, try to make it flat. Make it come in flat, not like this, because then you're hitting here at an angle. Try to always be flat with it. I hope that's on camera there. And then I use my foot to keep it rocking on that. One right there in the center. I gotta be careful with that because that's right in the between the R and the C there, and I don't want to get rid of those, so I gotta be real careful with that one. So I'll use the flat part right there. Right there. A little bit of a roll right there. And feeler out. That actually feels pretty good now. Now there's a crease right along there, and then where that was dented, it's kind of going like that. So see, and it's a crease this way and a crease that way in the ribs there. Actually got a bad spot right there. Push that back a little bit. I don't want to open it up too much, because if I open it up too much, it won't seal. That still looks pretty good. And of course, I just got to put them on the anvil. The back side of the vise, that flat spot on the back side of your bench vise, that works really good for straightening this out. So it's good and straight. And then you look down them and make sure that, holy cow, this thing is twisted like no tomorrow. See, I got another one there I got to work out of it. But anyway, that's showing you there the double hammer technique. I do it with these cheap hammers because I know it's going to break them. It's really hard on hammers. But that's when cheap hammers are good. So, meantime, the metal hot. I'm going to keep beating the hell out of these things, trying to get them back into shape. All right? Good luck out there.